We're out on our inaugural trip with our brand new 2026 Globetrotter 27-foot front bed twin.
Came into this park, had a chance to look at our vehicle in the trailer. In this park, there's 4 different other Airstream owners that are here, and we had a chance to walk around and ask questions and talk about it. But as you drive into this RV park, one of the things that really sticks out is the shininess of the sun glistening off of this aluminum of this new trailer. It's clean and polished, and it just stands out. The sun bouncing off this thing. But I actually was able to put down the awning, one button push up and one button push down. Did have some difficulty as we pulled into this campsite for the first time. It's kind of awkward. Goes down the hill, so we had to level it out with the levelers on that side. And see the AirSafe hitch, we did end up purchasing an AirSafe hitch. As I said before, the thing that we're concerned about is that front end separation. Didn't want to damage the trailer when we first got it. As you purchase a Airstream, there are so many other things that you're going to need. The hose, the stinky hose, the water hose, dog bone. I'll talk about some of those things that we had to purchase as we move into this lifestyle of traveling with this trailer more often. In the back of the trailer, there's the camera that is able to be used with the system inside of the truck. Didn't test that out to see what the camera looks like, but as we roll out of here today, we're going to actually put that into the socket and see if it works without any problems. Around the front, and the trailer going up and down. And as I step inside of this trailer and see, I had to have my wife test the cameras for me.
Okay, could you stand over this area? Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi, I love my husband.
Hey, my husband is getting on my nerves. He's irritating me so bad. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this whole.
Yeah, one of the things that I'll be talking about in the future is our experience with this AirSafe hitch. Really wanted to make sure that we didn't have any problems with the front end separation or anything, so we went ahead and purchased this AirSafe hitch. This thing is heavy. This thing is really heavy, and did have a good time getting on there and with the instructions on how to actually hook it up to the vehicle and travel without any problems. But we were actually able to do that. I don't know if any of you guys watched a previous video, but when we were at the Airstream show in Hershey, Pennsylvania, not the Airstream show, but the RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania, one of the things that my wife and I were looking at were the different colors of the Airstream inside, and I wanted the lighter color, and she of course chose this darker color, and this is the color that we went with and we ended up purchasing. And as you can see, this is enough space for the two of us, and I like to this is just a view, and at some point in the future, what I'll do is we will have an opportunity to walk through this 2026 front bed twin vehicle in greater detail. And the other thing that I'm asking is if there's anybody from the Airstream community that is really learned and have gone through the experiences that we're going through. If you have any recommendations whatsoever, And let me turn the camera around and so you can see who's asking the question. If there's any recommendations whatsoever that you guys have for us, please don't hesitate to let us know, because we are new. We are newbies, and this is something that's new for us. So as we go through this journey, if there's any recommendations or anything that you guys have actually done with your rigs to make life easier, please let us know, and we will take your advice. Well, this is just again, this is our inaugural journey. Wanted to show this trailer to some of my family members who have been watching our videos. Yeah, this is a nice trailer. Has the TV in the front where the beds are, bedroom, the shower. Taking a shower this morning in this place. This was nice. It was large enough for a person of my size, but if there is anyone, I know my son is 6'4". He would not be able to fit in the shower without kind of bending down. But this is the shower. It works pretty well. And the toilet area, which is across from it, pretty nice. And I'm just walking through this quickly, not going to show anything in detail. The brown color with the white color couch foam. It's a nice setup, and we're looking forward to getting on the road and traveling with this trailer. Again, this is Mitch from Reaching Freedom. If there is anything, any recommendations, anything that you have experiences with the Airstream that you can give us, we'll gladly take it. Please take the time to comment, and as always, like and subscribe. See you next time. Mitch out.